Boom! Welcome to another episode of Unboxing Parcels from Lazada, Shopee, Temu, and more. So, today, guys, this arrived. It is delivered by Flash Express. I'll show you the label, guys. This is the label, and then I'll open it for you guys. I'll open this for you guys even though this is not your package. This is my package. I'm having fun sharing my experiences while opening parcels from these online shops because they require us to video yourself opening the parcel. You know na, all the sellers want to know that if you have any returns and any product defects, they know that it's their product. This is for the evidence. So I'm opening this package from Lazada, and this is sold by Amy Watch. So that's the seller, and the seller's address is from China. I don't know these Chinese characters here, but it says their seller's address, Ni ha hung ha hung ha ni ha, China. Let's start. I'll get my handy dandy scissors and let's open. Okay, starting to open. Okay, it's officially open, seller and guys. Okay, we have a lens cap. I recently purchased a lens cap because I lost the cap of my 70 mm to 200 mm lens and I need a replacement. So I bought a lens cap from Lazada and it came from China. And hopefully this fits. So I specifically ordered the 77 mm lens cap because my 2470 photographer's lens is also a 77 mm lens cap and it perfectly fits with my 70 to 200 mm lens, Sigma lens. So let's try it if it really is the same size. Let me just get my lens. Let me just pull up my camera and let me just get the lens hood. This is a lens hood, by the way, and I kept on putting the lens hood just to protect the lens because it does not have a lens cap to test because this is really big and this is really small. Let's see. It perfectly fits. All right, thank you, seller. Thank you, Aimi Watch from China, the seller who is listed on Lazada for providing us with a great lens cap. It perfectly fits to my 70-200 mm Sigma lens and I'm happy now that finally I can place the lens backwards. That's it, guys. This is very important to protect the lens, especially with the lens cover or the lens protector. If you have a UV filter there already, you can cover and protect your UV filters. So this is really good. And thank you so much, seller. I'm very happy. You just made my day. Thank you so much for joining me with this another unwrapping or or opening a package parcel from online shops. I'm still addicted buying stuff online. So God help me. I hope there's more blessing to come, more blessings to come so that I can continue buying online stuff from the internet, supporting our friends and sellers there. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.